All right, Ken Hunt, Shion Northwest University. I teach law school, international law classes, and I also taught a speech and debate class. My classes were extraordinarily long. I had to teach for 4-hour blocks, the same group of students. So that became a situation where that was too long to really keep their attention. And so I had to figure out how to do sort of like kindergarten activities for postgraduate students, which is all my students, approximately 200 students were postgraduate students. So anyway, and their English was all over the board, from almost you couldn't tell that they weren't almost close to native speakers. There was a handful of them, but there was others that were just couldn't understand hardly anything. So anyway, one thing, and the thing I sent out, and we'll repost ours, because if you haven't learned this from WeChat, if you don't download what you get sent on WeChat within about 72 hours, maybe 48 hours, it is gone forever. So it's, it's got to be something you got to snap up quickly. I forget this all the time. So anyway, so I came up with a mini debate concept, and you'll see all my materials there, how I did it, how I timed it. So anyway, and essentially it were 5-person teams. So look at those materials. Mini debates were very successful in lots of areas. Thank you.